In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on dark mode on the YouTube mobile app. So, let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone and tap on your profile picture on the bottom right corner. This will open a menu with different options. Next, tap on the option that says Settings. This will take you to a screen where you can customize your YouTube app preferences. Then, tap on the option that says General. This will show you some general settings for the app, such as autoplay, captions, and restricted mode. But what we're looking for is the one that says Appearance. So, tap on that and you'll see a pop-up window with 3 choices. Use Device Theme, Light Theme, and Dark Theme. Then, tap on the one that says Dark Theme. This will enable or turn on dark mode on the YouTube mobile app. You can see how the app changes from white to black, which looks really cool and elegant. You can also switch back to the light theme or the use device theme anytime you want. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful and interesting. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks.